Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just a video here on C21 investments. I did one on Planet 13 about a week or so ago, and a subscriber left some comments and left this particular company, and I got to looking into it, and it looked kind of interesting. So I thought I'd do a quick video about it and see who out there has this one. This is C21 Investments, ticker CXXIF. It's a MJ company. It has a market cap of 171 million. Total outstanding shares is 117 million. And you can see the rest of the financials there. Currently trading at $1.21. And I got some other information here. This is their actual website. So what they are is an integrated MJ company, cultivates, processes, and distributes MJ and hemp-derived consumer products in the United States. The company was formerly known as Curlew Lake Resources and changed its name, and currently headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. Here you can kind of see what it's done over the last year. Had a pretty decent run-up. Went from about 37 cents on up to 193, and then it's kind of came down a little bit since then, but still pretty good growth. Here's their actual website. There's a pretty good video here. The business of MJ, vertical integration, expansion plan. You can see how they're expanding. But this video here, I don't know if you'll be able to hear the audio, but there is captions on it. It kind of goes over what they do. It's kind of a short video, so here we go. So kind of a quick video. I thought it was pretty interesting, and thought I'd throw that in there. Sometimes, usually when I make a video and try to incorporate a video, the audio doesn't come through for some reason. But this, if you're looking into this company, I would suggest you go into their website. It's, I think I just found it by way of... Well, let's see what the website is here. So it's www.cxxi.ca. Sure you can find it if you just Google it. Here's kind of some of their brands: Silver State Relief, Echo Firma Farms, and so on. Current holdings in Oregon and Nevada. And then they have some target acquisitions, of course, Colorado and California, and I'm sure there'll be other states probably popping up here soon on their map. Let's see if there's any news here on their website. But like I said, I would suggest going to their website. Some of this I already have in some other articles, so we'll go ahead and move on. But you can see the great growth that it's had here in the last year, up over 222%. Actually, more than that if you hit this peak. And so it doesn't look like too bad of a holding here. Like I said, it is over the counter, so if you're looking to get into this one, I always recommend Fidelity. If you can't get it there, try TD Ameritrade. They more than likely are going to charge you a commission. But here on Yahoo Finance, C21 announces release date of fiscal year end financial results. This is just dated here on April 15th. So they provide cultivation expansion update and sees record retail revenue for March in its Nevada dispensaries, which also is home of Planet 13. A vertically integrated MJ company today announced it will release its year-end fiscal period ending January 31, 2021, audited financial results on May 18, 2021. The company has received the requisite approvals for the first phase of its Nevada cultivation expansion, with 5 new flowering and vegetative rooms currently under construction. The company expects this phase of the project to be completed ahead of schedule, with an anticipated yield of 2,500 pounds of additional high-grade flower annually from the phase. And I'm not going to read it all to you, so feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. But 27% higher than March of 2020. The Silver State Relief Dispensaries saw over 50,000 customer transactions in March, including approximately 10,000 curbside pickups. And I wouldn't expect to see a decline in these numbers at all, especially this one with the curbside pickups, with the pandemic supposedly going on. Whenever they decide to end that, who knows? I wouldn't, as they say, hold your breath overnight, because I foresee it extending months. Pfizer's talking about a third vaccine and so on, so I think they're going to string it out as long as they can. But outdoor concerts are coming back to my hometown of Omaha, so that's a bonus, and I have some concerts planned to go to this year, so might actually have a life this summer. So, but there's some more information here. As a U.S. MJ operator generating over $10 million in operating cash flow for the trailing 12 months, we are well positioned to continue our growth expansion and take advantage of strategic opportunities. And this goes over a little bit more about C21 investments. They're focused on value creation through the disciplined acquisition and integration of core retail, manufacturing, and distribution assets in strategic markets. And again, the company owns the Silver State Cultivation, Phantom Farms, Swell Companies, and so on. Distribute a broad range of THC and CBD products from MJ Flowers pre-rolls, MJ Oil, vaporizer cartridges, and edibles, based in Vancouver, Canada. And here's a couple other, here's the website that takes you to right there so you can see it. Over here to Reddit. I don't think there's any really updated information here. I mean, they are talking about it, but it's a couple months old. So we'll check out Stock Twits. They're usually a little bit more up to date. Here on the 7th, he's bullish on it. Or I shouldn't say he, who knows. It's kind of a cool old looking penny there. Way undervalued and going way under the radar. So there's a lot of these under the radar companies. When I find them, I usually throw $20 at them, sometimes 50, just depending on the price, and see where that gets you for a bit, and watch it for a couple days or a week and see how it performs for you, and just buy the dips or buy some more if you want. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. It's all up to you, but that's just kind of how I do it, so just stating my opinion. What's going on here? Up 53%, undervalued, should be a big before the end of 2022. Too many 20s there. You'd think it's 420, but up 78% after hours. So this is kind of a volatile one, I can see. So I guess even if you wanted to trade it, you probably could, but only thing green in the market right now is Freya and Kronos Group. I haven't looked at those for a while. I'm a long-term holder on a lot of the MJ plays, so I don't really watch them. I probably should watch them a little bit closer to buy the dips, but kind of maxed out on MJ for right now, but until I get diversified into some other things. But I always like to take a shot at some of the newer plays, so and there's quite a few of them out there, and not much here on tip ranks, but if you have any of this C21, go ahead and list that in the comments. That'd be interesting to know, along with your cost basis. I think I'm going to pick up some shares on this one and see how it does. As you can see what it's doing here today, and kind of what it's done over the month. Like I said, this one is, if you get into it, I hope you can withstand the volatility, because it is up and down, kind of all over the place here, and that still blows my mind on 420 how they all dipped. But I guess that's our Christmas present, so you can buy them all and see what it's done since then, from 101 to 129. So like I said, you could even trade this one. Looks like you could get a couple cents there on the swing up and down if you did it right. So, and if it dips, just hold it. So again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, and hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.